ensures accurate pressure monitoring, prevents overinflation, improves safety, saves time, and provides convenient, reliable tire maintenance anywhere. Today's video is about top 5 best car tire inflators with digital display that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator is a compact and highly efficient solution for everyday inflation needs. Built with durable materials, it delivers fast and accurate performance, inflating car, SUV, motorcycle, and bicycle tires up to 120 psi within minutes. Its standout feature is the automatic shutoff function, which ensures precise pressure without the risk of overinflation. Simply set your desired PSI using the Easy Plus and it controls, press start, and let the device handle the rest. The digital LCD display is clear and user-friendly, while the ability to switch between PSA, bar, kPa, and kg/cm adds versatility. A built-in LED light makes nighttime use convenient, and the cordless 2000 mAh battery provides solid portability for roadside emergencies. The included attachments support multiple uses, from sports equipment to bike tires, making it a multifunctional tool. Compact enough to store in a glove box, Airmoto is a reliable travel companion. While it may not suit heavy-duty inflation tasks like large inflatables, it excels in everyday tire maintenance. Overall, it's a smart investment for safety, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. Now our second product is AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This 12 VDC portable tire inflator is a practical and reliable solution for keeping your vehicle's tires properly inflated on the go. Designed to operate through the car's cigarette lighter while the engine is running, it delivers consistent power through its 9.8-foot cord, making it suitable for most cars, SUVs, and regular-sized vehicles. One of its strongest features is the programmable inflation system. With simple M+ and it controls, users can easily set their desired pressure unit and target PSI. The compressor automatically shuts off once the preset pressure is reached, ensuring safe and accurate inflation without constant monitoring. Its compact and lightweight design makes storage effortless, fitting neatly in glove compartments or trunks without taking up space. The bright backlit display and built-in LED flashlight also make nighttime or roadside use highly convenient. Built with tough Ultra technology, this inflator offers enhanced durability and a longer lifespan, making it a dependable long-term investment. Overall, it's an efficient, user-friendly, and durable tire inflator ideal for everyday driving needs. Our third product is Lamicall Car Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This ultra-compact portable air inflator is a powerful and convenient solution for everyday tire maintenance. With its small 6.3x2.7x2.1-inch design, it easily fits into a glove box, trunk, motorcycle tail box, or even a bicycle bag, making it highly travel-friendly and easy to carry anywhere. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive performance with up to 150 psi pressure and a strong airflow rate of 35 liters per minute. It can inflate a standard car tire quickly, saving valuable time during emergencies or routine checks. The cordless rechargeable battery is another major advantage, capable of inflating multiple car, bike, and motorcycle tires on a single charge. The inflator includes 5 preset modes for cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, along with customizable settings and 4 pressure unit options for maximum versatility. The auto-stop function ensures safe and accurate inflation without overfilling. Its HD LED display is clear and easy to read, even at night, and the built-in emergency light adds extra safety. Overall, it's a fast, reliable, and highly portable inflator ideal for all types of users. Now number 4, Nature Hero Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Nature Hero Portable Tire Inflator is a compact and powerful solution designed for fast, reliable inflation in any situation. Equipped with a high-performance motor delivering 30 liters per minute airflow and a pressure range of 2 to 150 psi, it offers up to 3x faster inflation, making it highly efficient for both emergencies and routine tire maintenance. It can fully inflate a car tire in about 6 minutes, refill pressure in just 2 minutes, and handle bicycle tires or sports balls in around 1 minute. Its ultra-portable 6.5x2.7x2.0-inch design makes it easy to store in a glove box or carry during travel and camping. With 5 preset modes for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, operation is simple and user-friendly. The auto shutoff function ensures safe inflation by preventing overfilling, while the bright LCD display provides real-time pressure and battery status. Additional features like a built-in LED light and Type-C charging with power bank capability enhance its practicality. Overall, it's a versatile, fast, and dependable inflator for everyday and emergency use. And our last choice is OlarHike Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The OlarHike Tire Inflator is a powerful and versatile portable air compressor designed for fast, reliable inflation on the go. With its high-performance motor, it can inflate a standard car tire in as little as 55 seconds and an SUV tire in about 2.2 minutes, making it highly efficient for emergencies and routine maintenance. It supports cars, SUVs, light pickup trucks, up to 51 psi, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. One of its standout features is the dual power mode, allowing use either cordlessly via the 6000 mAh rechargeable battery or through a 12V car cigarette lighter for continuous operation. The large capacity battery can handle multiple tire inflations on a single charge and even doubles as a power bank for mobile devices. The bright dual LED display and auto shutoff function ensure accurate and safe inflation by stopping precisely at the preset pressure. User-friendly controls, preset modes, and multiple pressure unit options make it easy to operate. Compact, lightweight, and travel-ready, it includes all essential accessories and a storage bag. Overall, it's a smart, efficient, and dependable inflator for everyday and emergency use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.